Control number 40297, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Samantha Claire Pascual. I'm 26 years old. I'm married. I have one daughter. She's 5 years old. I have one brother, two sisters. I'm the second at the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I took a Bachelor of Secondary Education, a major in Filipino at Eduardo Helhoson Memorial College, but I'm an undergraduate.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and to support my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have experience here in the Philippines for 4 years.
What kind of work you had in the Philippines?
I am a housemaid here. I took care of 4 children.
What can you do for children?
Give them bath, change clothes and diapers, feed them.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
No, but if you give me a chance, I'm willing to learn.
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I can do cooking, baking, tutoring of the child, and sewing clothes po.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food like menudo, adobo, Chinese food like steamed fish, chop suey, vegetable, Italian dish like spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am a hardworking person, trustworthy, and honest, responsible.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I will say sorry and apologize to them.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Ma'am and Sir, if you choose me to be your domestic helper, I will do my best and finish my contract within 2 years.